Holy cow, look at that.
Holy.
That makes me dizzy looking at it. Check this out. There's a honor cooler. It's got drinks and stuff in there you can purchase. You just take what you need and put your money in there. It's on the honor system.
I think people should be honest.
People should be honest. All right, been looking at this mountain for 22 years. Every day when I go to work. Haven't hiked it yet, so here we are. November 7th, 2021. We're gonna go climb that bugger right there. We're starting early though. It's 8 a.m. and it's about 45 degrees. Well, alrighty, right off the bat, we're already on the wrong trail. There's like 5 of them that lead into this canyon. I don't know, we've picked the wrong one every time. Alright, this is the first trail sign we've seen, so now we're officially on the trail. One last peek at Squaw Peak, right there before it goes out of sight when we go into this canyon. Wow, this canyon is impressively cool with all these rocks. Dang. This is going to be a beautiful hike. Wow. And right there's like a mini Squaw Peak. These rock formations are so cool. Look at that one.
Really
Right behind us. All through here.
Look at this stone. Right here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Christy says, look at that little pointy bugger right there. That's really neat. The swirls in the rock and stuff. It's neat to see.
No, that's fine.
Yeah. Huh. Whew. Alright. Guess I'm gonna have to get in shape, I guess. This trail isn't too easy. Alright, this trail has no shortness of steep or up. Holy cow, but check out this rock right here. Look at that spine going up the hill there. That's really cool. Whew. High road, low road, any old side road.
It's so steepy steeps.
This trail is super steep, no matter where you go. I'll make that song up. Alright, so far, our assessment of Rock Canyon Trail is summed up in 5 letters. S-T-E-E.
Yeah.
Alright, we came to a junction in the trail. As I was starting to pull out the map to see which way to go, Christy saw this sign that says Squaw Peak.
Here we go.
So,
Feels like this is
we're going to take it, but I'm still going to double check the map because I hate going down the wrong trail.
Oh, yeah.
Especially when the word steep is involved.
Yeah.
And we just ventured up this trail a little bit. Looks like this is probably an okay place to maybe do some camping if you were going to backpack in.
Thought that was steep.
Uh-oh. You thought that was steep? Just wait. Oh goody, here we go. Bring it.
It's almost ladder.
Heck yeah. All right. That was a pretty good hill. I'm going to name it Hill 171 because that's what our heart rates were at. Climbing it. Whew. All right. I'm going to pre-name this trail
180.
Hill 180.
We'll see.
All right, here we go. We'll find out when we get to the top. because it's a good one. It's a little steeper than the last one. Whew. Oh my gosh, it's still going.
It goes for a long
Okay.
time.
Holy
Oh my
cow.
gosh, it's really far.
All right. This is reminding me of Maple Canyon. Whew. All right. Must be getting close to 180. So I'm starting to slow down. Oh my gosh. Chugga chugga. Oh my gosh. Whoo, doggy. So when you think you're done, no. There's more. So,
Oh shoot.
oh, it dropped.
It went down.
It's because she stopped, but there's that much more to go still. Ah! All right, we petered out on that hill a little bit. Had to stop, took a break, had a little snack, and we shed some layers. Sun's coming up, so it's gonna start getting hotter now. About 2/3 of the way there, so that's good. Starting to flatten off just a little bit, but I think it's the calm before the storm of the hills here. All right, one thing's for sure. This trail is Eaton Maple Grove Trail for lunch. We thought that one was steep. Whew. Man, that's a good one. Holy cow. Oh wow, look at the glistening on the trees through the sun. See if I can flip this around.
It's those helicopter things.
Whirly birds.
Helicopters, what we call them.
Helicopters. We're gonna let them fly via slow-mo. It's gonna be cool. Wow, the stops are becoming more frequent. This trail gives a new meaning to the word swass. There's a little meadow up here. I guess if you were in for a steep, grueling backpacking trip, you could backpack up to here, camp in this little meadow. So we were looking forward to this little peak over this hill down in the valley, but we just turned around and holy cow, we just saw a temp. Wow, look at that. Heck yeah.
Oh wow.
The climb is worth it.
You should think how big
All right.
Utah Lake is, you know?
Starting to get some views of the valley here behind us. Heck yeah. It's amazing how well you can see without the smoky air, finally. There's Utah Lake.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Wow, look at that. Oh yeah. Starting to get the views now.
Oh yeah. Makes you feel like you're on top of the world.
And they're only going to get better
Yep.
once we get on top of that. Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
All right, there's a pretty good view of Temp right there. Right
That's
up there.
behind it, those white peaks.
And that white peaks behind that are Lone Peak Wilderness.
Okay.
And then we go down into the valley. We live right out in there.
Wow.
Pretty.
Really nice.
Finally, we get a view of the valley without the smoke.
Yes.
We're starting to get a view of Rock Canyon that we came up is in the bottom of this. And we came up this way and then we rounded the corner and came up this draw right here. Well, you know you're getting close when it's start getting cliffy.
Yep.
Off that edge right there. Look at that. I'm getting close to the top here. But look at those views. Awesome. All right, looks like we're here. Look at these cliffs. Yeah, there's a pretty significant cliff right there. And we have made it. How awesome is this?
Oof. It is not warm.
All right, we've made it. We'll walk out on the edge here. You don't want to trip or slip. Oh my gosh, that's down. That's way down there. Holy cow, look at that.
Holy.
That makes me dizzy looking at it. All right, great view. Check this out behind you though.
Yeah, it's pretty steep. Totally.
Oh, there's the trail we came up on. Put it into perspective. That's the parking lot right there. And now we're on top of this little point called Squaw Peak. Beautiful views of the valley. And Mount Timpanogos there. It's only down there a little ways. What do you think?
You know it's steep when you're hiking on your tiptoes,
Yeah.
going uphill,
Hand and foot on some of those hills. Huh?
or climbing a ladder. Yeah,
But
it's pretty steep in some spots.
The
But,
view is spectacular.
oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Like I was just saying, if you don't want to hike Timp, this is a real good second
viewpoint
choice.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a view up Rock Canyon and down into the valley
Mm-hmm.
3 ways, so
Yeah, it's nice.
pretty nice. And you get a view of Timp.
Yep.
Rather than being on Timp, you get a view of it.
It's
So
amazing.
pretty nice. All right, starting our descent.
A little muddy.
And it's muddy a little bit because the ground's starting to thaw out a little bit. There's a little bit of snow from last week. The trail's a little muddy, but just got to watch your step. All right, well, based on that last hill that just went down, I think we're going to be renaming Hill 171 and 180 to Shaky Leg Syndrome Hill 1 and 2, because I'm already starting to get weak knees coming down because this is steep. But man, look at these views. The sun's coming out and look at that. Wow.
So great.
I mean, that is amazing. Clear skies for once. Awesome. Yeah. I mean, just look at these views.
It's so great. Like, this is a great hike, man.
Man, I'm loving this. Wow. Just wow. Well, I don't always hike with trekking poles, but I am today for this downhill assist.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It helps me go through.
Yeah.
Personally.
Yeah, it takes some of the shock off your knees
Look at this hill, man.
for the downhill,
Yeah, 'cause look at this hill.
like that hill.
Holy cow.
Well, I stepped off the trail to water this tree because it's really big. It needs a little growth. Notice there's a geocache over here. I found it by accident right there. I'm gonna check it out, sign my name. All right, well, there's the geocache. I don't have a pen to sign my name, plus it's really small. I can't see that small to write that small, so I'm just gonna do a video of it. Well, this was a calorie burner for my body going up. But it's a calorie burner for my knees going down because they're shaking so much. I think my knees are burning more calories than my body did. I'm laughing right now because Chrissy's turned around and said, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe we came up this thing." So Christy's making fun of me because I didn't know the acronym RBF. And I'm watching these trail runners coming up the trail and they're smiling like, "Oh, this is great." Not me, I'd be running up this trail with an RBF. Anyway, maybe you guys don't know what an RBF is either, and then I won't feel so bad. Now we're coming down the trail and we notice this little cave over there. We're gonna go explore it. Maybe we'll find a bear or something. That'd be pretty cool. You don't think? I don't know. Never seen one in Utah. It'd be kind of cool. As long as it's not cornered.
Yeah. Go for it.
All right.
See what happens.
I'm going in. Hello.
I'll stay out here.
Hey, bear. Wow, this goes back pretty far. Huh. All right, I got my trekking pole sword. I'm ready. There we go. Whoa, that goes way back there.
This is crazy. Watch your bag.
Right on.
I can literally stand straight up. Oh, did you look? Is this a thing?
Oh, wow.
What's happening?
Oh, wow.
Let me see.
That goes
Oh
way.
my. Ooh, no thank you.
Boy, that goes back there far. In all directions. That way.
What's on the rock right here? Is that
Straight down.
is
There's a
that
hole.
water? What's on the rock? Is that water?
Yeah, there's water. The ceiling's dripping.
Okay.
And then there's another little cavern over there. Huh. I think that cave we went into was the belly of Squaw Peak. Whoa, check out the roots on that tree. That is cool. I mean, who couldn't love this trail? I mean, look at this thing. Look at these views. Rock Canyon. That is freaking awesome. All right, completed. D-O-N-E, and it's a good thing. That was a hard hike.
Steep. It was was steep.
Beautiful though.
Perfect day, perfect weather.
Great weather, cloud cover. It wasn't too hot. It was nice.
Yeah.
Busy trail though. Make sure you're caloried up before you start this one.
Yeah, I wasn't.
You will burn the calories on the climb for sure. But beautiful. I'd recommend it.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What?
We got to get caloried up again because I'm hungry.
Yeah.